Small enough to fit through narrow gates, but comes with 12 powerful attachments that turn it into a total beast on any job site. This is the TYPHON TERROR X2 MAX 2.7-ton mini excavator. Introducing the TYPHON TERROR X2 MAX, the ultimate 2.7-ton mini excavator built for tight spaces and big performance. With its super compact 3-foot width, 10-foot digging depth, and powerful 17.3 kilowatt Yanmar diesel engine, this machine goes where others can't. Full 360-degree swing, retractable undercarriage, and smooth pilot controls make every job easier, from landscaping, trenching, to small construction projects. And the best part? This beast is incredibly versatile. Use the auger for perfect post holes and drilling, the rake for landscaping cleanup, and the narrow 10-inch bucket for precise trenching and drainage. But that's not all. You can also equip it with a grabber, ripper, hydraulic breaker hammer, quick coupler, 39-inch tilting bucket, 39-inch bucket, and 32-inch toothless bucket, giving you endless possibilities on every job site. Best news? It comes with 10 attachments included, 2 specialized tools, plus the standard digging bucket and hydraulic thumb clip. TYPHON TERROR X2 MAX. Compact, powerful, ready for anything.